Hey guys, in today's video I'm about to show you how to create voice agent specifically for hotels, and the job of the agent is basically to call the client after booking and just confirming all the information and ask some additional questions. And in this case we'll use, as always, n8n to build automation itself, but also we'll use VAPI and we will use Twilio. So if that sounds interesting to you, let's go to n8n, and as always I will show you everything step by step. So here we are inside n8n, and as you can see, the automation itself inside n8n is quite simple, honestly. Like, as a trigger, in this case scenario, we can simply use the form that is available through n8n. But as always, we can connect webhook, so in case you have form on your own website, and honestly, this is uh, more like production ready solution, just to have webhook and just listen for some new requests. But in my scenario, just to make it a bit simpler, we will try to do it with form. So as you can see, we have few simple forms like guest name, guest phone, reservation ID, check-in, and like some of these. I already fulfilled this form, because as you can see I have my information pinned. So how is it going? Like, first we get information from the form, then we are going to code node just to validate all the information and just put them in, like trying to delete all the white spaces and things like this. And as you can see, this is pretty much like just validating the information, and if the data are valid, then we are going to call the client. If not, then we are basically just logging in it into the Google Sheet itself. So, but yeah, like if they are validated, then we have a reservation saved, and the next one is to call the person. So just allow me to start the automation, because as you can see it will go smoothly. And I put my phone number, so soon it will start to call me. Okay, and as you can see, it's currently calling. So yeah, and this node is responsible for making the call. Then we have 30-second wait node, and then the second node is to get the information about the call itself, because like we have to get all the information from VAPI, and that's why we have a small loop here if the call ended. If not, then it's waiting another 15 seconds. And after call is ended, we get the voicemail and like more information that it's ended. Then we are creating the logs, and we are also preparing the SMS itself just to send the information, additional information to the client. So this is how it works. And honestly, like it's quite simple to connect, because this is the HTTP request that we are using just to call. As you can see, the endpoint itself is /call. Then we have to create the bearer of type token and VAPI, but don't worry, because everything is inside the VAPI. As you can see, we have API keys. We are basically just copying the private key and we are putting it inside the n8n. And what else? The JSON body. JSON body is here because we have to provide all the information about the guest just to our voice agent, because exactly like the entire creation of this voice agent is inside VAPI. So as you can see, I created the Sophie. Let me move myself maybe here so it will be easier for us to see everything. So I used OpenAI model, but you can also like try to do different models. But what is important here, you want the latency to be the lowest as possible. Like trying to get some more complex AI models will for sure make this much longer, because as you can see here, you can see how much does it cost for a minute of talk, of conversation, and as well you can see the latency on the model. So as you can see, the 5 mini model has like pretty large latency, And yeah, like here we can check like who speaks first, like if assistant should speak first and what they should say basically. So as you can see, here is the system prompt. And in my case scenario, just to show you how it works, because like what we are giving to VAPI with this API request is basically this one. So we will need this one. Just copy this and I will put it here just to show you. I'm doing it just to show you how it works, because honestly, like I cannot call myself because I'm in Thailand right now, and if I would like to show you how to do it, I would need to pay like a lot of dollars just to get Thai phone number, which is not relevant honestly. So that's why I will show you everything how to do it inside VAPI, but at the same time, it's a great way just to test your solution and to see how it works without like using your credits on Twilio. So yeah, as you can see, we are setting like the task, we are setting the goal of the conversation, and we are also giving the rules and everything like this. What else is important here? Important here is also structured outputs, because as you can see, in my case, we wanted to get the callback time in case someone wants me to call back again, special requests, guest questions if they have any, special request confirmed, yes, arrival time, we want to also know this, and overall like reservation confirmed. So this is how it works, and honestly, if you want to make it production ready, you need to have account in Twilio. So this is the account, we are inside the dashboard, and just so you will be like okay with that, like I will put all the links down below, so don't worry about this. But we are inside Twilio account, and to connect this one to n8n, so in case you really want to send the emails after, SMS after, we are going simply here, create new credentials, and here we have information just to copy the account SID and authorization token. We are simply putting it here and it's working correctly. And how to connect your Twilio phone number to VAPI, you are simply just going here to phone numbers. And as you can see, we have create phone number, we are choosing Twilio, and here we are putting everything the same, like Twilio account SID, Twilio auth token, and the phone number itself. But how to get phone number? We can also buy it from Twilio. So as you can see, if you want to buy the US phone number, we are simply going here and we can buy for $1 a month US phone number. And just so I will be relevant with you, Thai phone numbers are much more expensive because as you can see, $25, $22. So I don't need this right now because I'm not building this for any client inside Thailand, so it's not relevant for me. But yeah, like this is quite simple how to connect your Twilio phone number with VAPI. So it will call basically from VAPI itself. And yeah, let's try this one then, because like I showed you, like the only purpose of building it inside n8n is just to make it automatically through your form or webhook, so that's why it is automated. But like there is no difference if I will make it work from this HTTP request or if I will just click here to talk to assistant. So let's try this one. Okay, before like I will call the agent, I just forgot to do one thing, because you remember like I put information here in the beginning. So like just to make any changes inside system prompt, we have to publish the changes all of the time. Like I can publish it right now because this is my test environment, so uh, I'm not making any changes on production ready environment, but as you can see right now, we will be able to get all the information.
Hello, may I speak with Adrian? This is Sophie calling from Grand Hotel.
Hey Sophie, yes, I'm Adrian.
Thank you, Adrian. I'm glad to connect with you. I'm calling to confirm your reservation with us. You have a studio booked from Friday, March 20th to Sunday, March 22nd for 2 guests. Does that all look correct?
Yes, exactly. I booked this one.
Great. Thank you for confirming. What time are you planning to arrive? Our standard check-in time is at 3 p.m., but we can note your preference if you have a different time in mind.
I would like to come around 2 p.m. I don't know yet because I'm arriving around 12 at the airport, so I think like 2 hours just to get from the airport to your hotel might be okay time.
That sounds good, Adrian. I'll note that you plan to arrive around 2 p.m. Also, I see that you requested a small bed for a child. I want to confirm that our team has this prepared for you. Is that correct?
And as you can see, what is incredible inside this, that it's making notes and it's checking everything, so we can go back to the logs after, which I will show you in a minute, and we can see entire conversation from it. Yes, I want to confirm that we will have a child with us. That's why I would appreciate if you have like a small bed, and you can put it inside our room.
Thank you for confirming, Adrian. I have noted that you will need a small bed for your child, and our team will ensure it is set up in your room for your arrival. Before we wrap up, is there anything else you would like to know or any other questions you have before your stay?
Can you tell me what time the swimming pool will be open?
Of course, the swimming pool is open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Feel free to enjoy it during those hours. Is there anything else you would like to ask?
Yes, I think I would like to ask also if you have any kind of vegan food in your restaurant.
Yes, we do offer a variety
Okay,
of vegan options in our.
just tell me what kind of food you have.
Certainly. Our restaurant offers a selection of vegan dishes,
As you can see,
including
even if you will try
quinoa
to.
salad with roasted vegetables, vegan pasta with a tomato basil sauce, stir-fried tofu with seasonal vegetables, a variety of plant-based burgers. We also have vegan desserts available.
I
If
will
you have
allow
any
it to
specific
finish.
dietary needs or preferences, please let us know and
Okay,
we can
thank you. Thank
accommodate
you.
you. Is
I
there
know
anything
everything.
else you would like to know?
Thank you. I know everything and I don't need anything else.
You're very welcome, Adrian. I'm glad I could assist you. Just to recap, your reservation is confirmed for a studio from March 20th to March 22nd for 2 guests with a small bed for your child and an estimated arrival time of around 2 p.m. We look forward to welcoming you. If anything changes, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, and as you can see, what is good, like even if you will try to interrupt it, it will not continue just talking. It will stop and then it will listen what you are trying to say. It all like what you can see right now, it's not perfect because it all depends on your use cases, how you want your AI model to act. But honestly, I think it's quite good tool and it all depends on your preferences. Like because as you can see, the information about the vegan diet, he also made it up. So like if you want this to don't make made up any information, you should put here more information, but at the same time you can add files just to give more context. Like let's say maybe you have restaurant inside your hotel, so you can put the menu inside the file, so the agent will be able to respond to questions like this. So this is how it looks, and just give me a moment because we will. And as you can see, we have a lot of like different things here, which we can see. Oh, because I also forgot to mention, you hear the voice, and just to set the voice, we are going here to the voice configuration, and we are setting first the provider. As you can see, we have many of them, and we are checking the voice itself, like in which tone they should speak, who should speak. It should be a male, female, and if you want to check it, you simply has to go to a voice library, and here you have a lot. You can basically choose the gender, you can choose the accent, so anything you need is here. And just to show you what I mentioned before, like if you want to check the call logs, you have simply go to here, and here you have your call logs. As you can see, this is type web because we initiate the call from the web app, but if they will call, you have outbound here. And As you can see, what is good, we also have a cost and duration of the call itself. And then after clicking in it, we have transcriptions. So everything we were talking about, like we saw, we have a logs, but also what we have, what is important for us, the structured outputs. So this is the information you can put inside your Google Sheet and to do something with them. Because like I showed you, like we have a guest questions, so ask about swimming pool. So because of that, you can simply just analyze what kind of questions your clients are asking. So also we have arrival time, callback time. I didn't want them to call me back. Uh, Reservation confirmed, yes, and special request updated. So as you can see, here is everything. And if we would like to listen entire conversation,
Hello, may I speak with Adrian? This is Sophie calling from Grand Hotel.
as you can see, we can pretty much see everything from VAPI itself. I know this video might be short, but at the same time, I feel like a lot of people inside this industry trying to make the longest possible videos about AI voice agents. But honestly, like what you have to do is just to change the system type and add few additional nodes to your n8n environment just to extend the logic itself. But this is the main core or on how voice agents are working using VAPI, using n8n as a trigger. And it doesn't matter if you want to check your hotel reservation, if you care about creating someone who will respond to all your calls, like everything you need in any kind of business. If you are into real estate, if you are a car mechanic, if you are a barber or whatever, all it has to be changed is a system prompt inside VAPI. So if that was helpful for you, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and drop the comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time.